What is going on, guys? It's Shooting Dave here. If you're new around this channel, my name is Dave and behind me is my wife Amy. We've recently just moved to Los Angeles and today we are moving into our apartment. Welcome to
our new home with a huge kitchen,
It's got a living room
with a lovely light bedroom
with a wardrobe for me.
and a wardrobe for me,
It's got a toilet
with a shower and a bath,
with a massive closet.
with a washer and a dryer.
It has aircon.
One thing I am excited for is dishwasher.
It even has a balcony. So that's our apartment, and as you can see, it is pretty empty.
Yeah, we really need to buy a bed, a sofa, TV cabinet, plates, towels, you name it, we need to buy it.
Yeah, and we have zero money to do so because we blew all of our money on the deposit for this flat because we are aliens. We do not have any credit history over here, so that meant we had to pay 2 months rent deposit totaling around $6,000. So pretty painful.
Yeah, we'll be skinning for a while.
Yeah, but that means we can slowly build up some key pieces of furniture over time, and we'll show you guys the styling.
Yeah, we really want to get some nice statement accessories for the space and also keep it quite fresh and light and feeling modern.
Yeah, and in about, what is it, 2-3 weeks time, the rest of our stuff from London will turn up, so at least we'll have some pictures to put around the place.
Yeah, some soft furnishings.
Yeah, if nothing to sleep on or sit on or
Yeah.
watch. There you go. Anyway guys, I know it's a bit echoey in here, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what the empty apartment looks like, but we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.